Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. So in the last session, we have understood about the AWS Cloud Trail. We have understood about the practical as well as theoretical aspects of Cloud Trail. And now in this session, we are going to start with AWS config. As you can see on your screen, we are going to understand like what is AWS config and how we can actually use this AWS config and what exactly the significance of AWS config when we are preparing for different certification or when we are planning to build something on AWS. So now let's start this session. So in this session, we are going to learn about the AWS config. So it is kind of a service, or we can say fully managed service, which actually provides you the AWS resource inventory. Means what exactly the configuration history you are having, what you have done, and if there is any configuration change you are going to get, or I can say you are going to get the notification like something is actually getting changed in your account. So each and everything comes into AWS config. So the key feature is like resource tracking, means you can continuously monitor your resource. We can keep the track record of your AWS resource, and then we are having change tracking if there is anything in if someone is changing anything, and let's suppose you are working as an organization, and if someone is changing anything, you'll be getting the notification as well. Okay, and then integration with other service, like you can integrate with other service as well. And whenever we are doing any monitoring now, so keep this thing in your mind, you can integrate that service with other services as well. So now the benefits of using AWS config. So the first one is visibility and accountability. Means you can check, you will be having the visibility into resource configuration and the relationship, and also like if something is getting changed, like who changed that thing, who is actually making the configuration. So you'll be having everything over there. Then compliance monitoring. So you will be having the, you can actually have the tracking, so that you'll be understanding the internal policies, and you will be understanding like how the things are getting configured, and this is how it is going to help you in, I can say, doing the monitoring of your resources. Then we are having automated remediation, means if there is anything happened, so you'll be having the options like you'll be having the automated remediation as well. So that was all about the AWS config. I hope you guys have understood. So it's a very simple service by which we can have continuous tracking, and if there is anything happen, you will be having the better visibility and the accountability option. So that was all about AWS config. So I hope you guys have understood about AWS config, and you have understood about the overall theoretical aspects of cloud AWS config. And in the next session, we'll be understanding about the practical implementation of this AWS config. So that's it for this session. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you so much.